2018 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power passenger seat, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, navigation system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.